Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So this weekend just about the consolidation when we see the Bitcoin chart, but if we are looking into altcoins that we see few huge bumps. So guys, my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research and your financial conditions. So guys, let's check what we see on our favorite bubble chart. Bitcoin is almost plus minus zero, Ethereum almost the same, but we see altcoins. Doge is continuing pumping here. We see ApeCoin, Theta, Mina Protocol, and Celo. And Celo did a huge run up. I think maybe they had some announcement. And also Near, Phantom, Immutable X is doing well. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 26, so now it's a little bit better. So we are back in the fear zone. We left the extreme fear zone, but as you know, we spent several months, almost the entire year in these low extreme levels, so investors are still fearful. Let's go and check out our first news. How low can Bitcoin price go? So let's see if we should buy the dip or we should wait, or just dollar cost averaging, and we will see. So Crypto Bullet says that comfortable buying around 16,000. He's just using this cumulative value days destroyed, still offers a key insight into a macro BTC price bottoms. Also, I feel comfortable buying Bitcoin here at CVDD. Crypto Bullet told Twitter followers. Can it go lower? Of course it can. If another crypto company goes bankrupt or something like that, BTC will fall below CVDD, but not by much. The bulk of the downtrend is over. And I think also Willy Woo, yeah, so this is this CVDD is made by Willy Woo, and you see how the perfectly holds this CVDD as the macro lows. So this is the cumulative value days destroyed unwanted chart. So Philip says that 6,500 as worst case scenario. So Philip, co-founder of trading suite Decentralized, he thought that BTC USD could see 10,000 US around the year if macro continues worsen. Okay. A large ladder of bits lies just below spot price and focuses on 12 to 14,000 US dollar. At the same time, ultimate support could come as low as 6,000 US dollar. Okay, a trip to 6,000 US dollar zone, however, is unlikely under current circumstances, he advised. Okay, many eyes on the 14,000 price. Okay, so the area would also bring BTC USD losses versus all-time highs in line with those of previous bear markets. So if we are looking at this chart, the price drawdown from all-time high would be the highest, almost more than 80%, and we are not there yet. So some drawdown can come. Not only the 13,900 forms a significant support line on weekly timeframes. Trader and Analytics Crack Capital notes that this 13,900 is a significant level that they are watching, but I think yes, around 14,000. Okay. And as you see, Alameda Research withdrew 204 million ahead of bankruptcy filing. So guys, because the bankruptcy filing, they withdrew almost 200 million. Insane. Bitcoin's new worst case scenario puts BTC bear market bottom near 6,000. So decent trader flip. Analyst flags old school rock hard support for BTC. Yeah, so this is almost the same, but we have another chart here, the different market cycles. Let's make this bigger, and the red is the 2013, the blue is 2017, and the green is 2021 and 2022 cycles. And yeah, so before halving, definitely the price should turn. Cool. Next, after more than 380 days, crypto supporters celebrate surviving the second longest Bitcoin bear market. So guys, more than a year that we are in this crypto bear market. The current bear market is now the second longest bear market in the history of Bitcoin prices. According to the forum post, the current crypto winter has lasted more than 380 days, just below the longest Bitcoin downturn that took place during the 2013-2015 bear market, which lasted almost 415 days in length. Okay, so guys, at least we are celebrating that we're still alive. So this is the 2017-2018 bear market. So 2018 bear market lasted exactly 1 year, so 365 days, and now we are over 380 days because last year November 10 was the all-time high. With another black swan in crypto and another leg down, this time due to FTX, we are now officially in the second longest bear market ever, an achievement I don't know whether we should be proud of or not. Yeah. Highly unlikely, crypto prices have hit the bottom according to them. Surviving a bear is a rite of passage, turns rookies into veterans. Yes. 40,000 people used to post here. Now it's a ghost town. It's a ghost town. I think it's a Reddit, cryptocurrency Reddit. It's a ghost town. You can soon call yourself a survivor of the most brutal and longest crypto bear market in history, and that it's not easy. So well done and congratulations, guys, that at least we're still here and we are still supporting this. And I think the best time is now. So the best time is now. The best time is buying crypto is now. Maybe we will get lower prices, but that would be just a present, a gift. Next, Bitcoin hitting these targets will confirm Bitcoin bull market with 95-98% certainty, says crypto veteran trader Tom Ways. I like this. I will use this. Okay, I want to see a move to just under 23,000 US dollar. If we get rejected, we need to hold 19,000 on the rejection, and then we need to come back and start to challenge 23,000. That tells me with about 95-98% certainty the bull market has begun. Until we get to that situation, I don't have a 95% certainty that the bull market has begun. And guys, don't forget that Tom Ways used to be bearish, as also we do have a song, a crypto song. Let's go and just visit our YouTube channel, and let's see. So here is our YouTube channel, and you find here is the playlist, and here are these crypto songs, and you find here is the this crypto song, and is singing that Tom Ways is bearish. So definitely check out our YouTube channel. Cool. Let's go to our news. Another scenario is if we crash down to 11,000 or lower. I believe the bull market will begin immediately after that, because I just don't believe Bitcoin can go any lower. So those are my two ultimate scenarios. So guys, whichever will happen, maybe this crash down to 11, that would be a once in a lifetime opportunity that you can make generational wealth. So this is a generational opportunity. Next, Skybridge Capital founder doubles down on 100,000 Bitcoin prediction, expect BTC to reach 500,000 long term. Sounds pretty amazing, but we have got some work to do here from a regulatory perspective, he stressed. Okay, so he is Anthony Scaramucci. So Scaramucci expected the price of BTC to reach 100,000 by the end of last year. However, he admitted that he didn't assess the regulatory environment appropriately after the US Securities of Exchange approved Bitcoin futures. Okay, could it get there in this year? Yes, it's likely to get there over 2 years. I'm very confident of that. But we have got some work to do here from a regulatory perspective. We got to get the markets to calm down a little bit. We have got to get through COVID, but it's not going anywhere. Okay, how an average investor should get into Bitcoin? I would buy some, he promptly replied. However, he added, I would average in, so dollar cost averaging. The only way you can handle technology like this is the dollar cost average and buy a little every month, because maybe it will go lower, then fine, that you will get a chance to buy lower, but if not that, at least you bought at these levels. And if we are taking a look on our favorite rainbow chart, that you see that historically the Bitcoin price is really cheap, and if you are dollar cost averaging, you have the higher chance, even at these levels or lower levels, that you get one of the best prices that you would able to buy. I put 4% of Skybridge money into Bitcoin. I started off with a 4% cost position. If you talk to me at the peak, it ended up being 22%. 500,000 per Bitcoin. But if you are willing to zoom out and look at the long-term chart and look at the adoption story, could Bitcoin get to $500,000 a coin? I believe it will. Yeah, guys, let's get this crypto. And next piece of news is top crypto analyst says Litecoin on track to extend rally by over 60%, but there is a catch. It also looks pretty good. I like this image as well. So crypto strategist Justin Bennett, LTC, has been on a tear recently, taking out the confluence of resistance at 23.2 US dollar, which has now flipped to support. If that area holds, I think we see LTC continue higher here into 96.5 and potentially 128. Alternatively, a daily close back below this 23 US dollar level would signal bearish fake out and the rally. So this is one of the important level. So we'll see if it will just break down, then we are taking a short. If it will hold, then we are laddering some longs. Cool. Next piece of news is man who bought Bitcoin at $1 US believes BTC price is ultimately headed for 100,000, and I think he is Jeremy Da Vinci. Jeremy, I think we finally see 100,000 US dollar. I think we will do at least 10x from the bottom, said Da Vinci at a November 25 interview with Kitco News. Okay, and also Da Vinci replied that Bitcoin would have to drop to 10,000. He replied that we will probably see 12,000 US dollar. And he is quoting that I told you so after calling on people to purchase Bitcoin when it was retailing below $1 US per unit in 2011. I read through the source code and realized, oh my goodness, this is going to work, because he was skeptic at the very beginning. Every once in a while something comes along that makes poor people rich because they bought it really cheap. This is one of them. Da Vinci added, I remember my first video which got 751 thumbs down and like 50 likes. He went on, I thought people would understand. They only wanted me to talk about gold and silver. So he ran a YouTube channel that time and talking about gold and silver, and he got almost 750 dislikes. So guys, this is insane. Next, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Crypto cannot be blamed for FTX collapse. Okay. He stressed that the cryptocurrency cannot be blamed for the action of former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not the same as Sam Bankman-Fried. It's not Bitcoin, it's FTX. That's the problem. Also, Kiyosaki noted that Bitcoin cannot be blamed for the fall of FTX and Bankman-Fried in the same way. One cannot blame silver if silver exchange traded funds are mismanaged. He revealed that he owns a lot of silver and gold, but doesn't have any silver or gold ETFs. So Kiyosaki doesn't trust in ETFs. So FTX is a Ponzi scheme where they depended upon the funds from the next stupid investors to finance it. Okay, despite the FTX fiasco and the subsequent crypto market sell-offs, Kiyosaki reiterated, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still in favor of Bitcoin. I'm not against it, as many people in my age group are, because I think Bitcoin is solid. The world economy is not a market. I believe the economy is the biggest bubble in the world history, and here he is buying Bitcoin. Next, El Salvador establishes National Bitcoin Office to manage all projects related to the cryptocurrency. So this is a National Bitcoin Office in El Salvador. Great news. Salvadorian National Bitcoin Office established with functional and technical autonomy within the presidency of the republic. Okay, the object of the defines the object of the ONBTC, which will be the design, diagnose, plan, program, coordinate, follow-up, measure, analyze, and evaluate plans, programs, and projects related to Bitcoin for the economic development of the country. Sounds pretty amazing and good to see that they are developing further. Next, crypto influencer BitBoy flies to Bahamas to find Sam Bankman-Fried. This is what happened. Sam, where are you? We are looking for you. Just wanna talk, Sam. I know that's where you are at, buddy. It's ok, Sam. In all seriousness, we just want you come tell your story. Unlock me on Twitter. Come tell your story. Let's talk. BitBoy says in a video standing outside of Bankman-Fried's home, and there we go. But the security come, and then actually they were not allowed to step in. According to Twitter, this is Sam's Corolla Complete, which peels in the front seat. Maybe someone can identify what they are, and an MSI laptop in the back. BitBoy said in a tweet, SBF, look at your window, but I just want to talk. Come tell your story. Okay. Funny. Next. Users can now verify the Bitcoin they own on Binance via Merkle Tree. So Binance has taken some additional measures to reaffirm its customers' trust during the turbulent times following FTX crash. As Binance user community is exponentially larger than the next largest exchange, this is a massive undertaking and will take a few weeks to develop the data for the majority of our assets in custody. We are working to get the next update out as quickly as possible to meet the community's expectation, he added. But Kraken came out and said that without showing a liability, it's not too much, but at least yeah, you can track Binance holdings. Next, SEC chairs crypto oversight strategy in question as ecosystem collapse. Congressman Tom Emmer showed concerns about the oversight strategy implemented by Gary Gensler, the chair of the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission for the crypto ecosystem. We were concerned in March that Gary Gensler was taking an indiscriminate and inconsistent approach to the oversight of the crypto industry. Okay. We are even more concerned now as we have seen his strategy miss Celsius, Voyager, Teleluna, and now FTX. Okay. Emmer said Congress shouldn't have to learn the details about the SEC oversight agenda through planted stories in progressive publications. Okay. And there is a first decentralized autonomous organization in the United States began a litigation battle with SEC over 2021 token registration and opted not to have attorneys in its fight for registration. Okay, cool. Next piece of news is Bitcoin is good for power grid. Governor of Texas Greg Abbott. So the governor of Texas claims that Bitcoin is good for the power grid. Texas wishes to become the center of Bitcoin advancement in the country. The state is promoting and advancing Bitcoin and blockchain for innovation, including revising and passing regulatory laws. Bitcoin is good for the power grid. We are promoting Bitcoin. We are advancing it. Yes, Texas wants to be centerpiece of that. Yeah, guys, good to see that congressman is in Texas coming out and pushing Bitcoin. Guys, I just reminding you that MetaMask will start collecting user IP addresses. So actually MetaMask will know everything about you. And also I think as sometimes also hackers are breaching some data. And I don't think that is secure to use the web without VPN. So guys, definitely go and check out the link in the description and use NordVPN. Here is some Black Friday sale event going on. Then you can purchase the standard or the plus and just paying a few dollars in a month, and also you can purchase it for 2 years, and you will get another you will get 3 months free. And if you are using our referral link in the description, that you will get 1 month extra. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow at MIKLOSDenkler on Twitter, because we are sharing important news and updates and charts here on Twitter. So at MIKLOSDenkler, be sure just smashing this bell icon notification on, and also follow Corion platform and follow at laserpunk_guts. So Stock Money Lizards share this historical Bitcoin historical oversold, and this is checking money flow, and it's indicating that Bitcoin is oversold. Give a like and share. Spread between the bulls and the bears on the S&P 500 are one of the largest, and this is indicating a big move is coiling up for the S&P. Patience is the key for success in crypto trading. Check out this from Crypto Capo. And also he shared that he is still just expecting Bitcoin to drop 14 to 12,000 US dollar and altcoins to drop 40 to 50% from here. And what you see here, this is the Bitcoin spot price. Price is going down. Bitcoin perpetual volume is going up. Spot volume is going down. So people are shorting Bitcoin, but they are not buying, so there is no investor volume in Bitcoin. Yes, so nice NFTs coming. Share this and also subscribe, because then you will get a free mint. We'll participate in the minting. Yeah, sunshine today. I went out and check out, that was from my Instagram. I just get this from Coin Bureau, and this is about that. So you should check this. So no need for panicking about the Grayscale BTC Trust holdings are secured for now. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure you are visiting our farms. Go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and earn up your LPs. You can look on the Ethereum farm and on the Binance Smart Chain farm and earn up to 330% juicy APRs. Let's check the Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin was very boring during the weekend, actually sidewaving here, doing almost nothing, but forming a symmetrical triangle, and it will break up or down. The previous movement was up, so maybe likely to the upside. Then the upper level of the point of control is almost 17,000 US dollar. So but maybe we will drop, and the lower trend line is almost 16,000. So guys, enjoy your week, have a fantastic week, and do some DCA, and come and join our farms and watch all other videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.